Happy Sunday. It's Vlogmas day 4 or day 5, I lost track. But anyways, ow! Anyways, today my friend Jeannie's brother is having like a pop-up for his agri-tech farming. Yeah, so like he actually opened this Nosh produce for the vertical farming thing. So I don't know much, so like today I'm just going to the pop-up and take a look. Hello Sak! So Sakura came at like 10 AM. Like currently
I'm like the ambassador here already.
yeah, it's like 10:40 now. And then she's just like busy helping them take pictures.
Oh, she's so uninterested.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
What's this?
I don't know. Bagel?
It's black meat.
Black meat? Oh, it's not black though. Can we try the... Okay. It's black meat. Fragrant eh? Describe it further. It's not like raw or anything. It's like quite fragrant to be raw. Like you know, like got the green like siap taste. This one don't have. yeah. It's not bad. Trying summer savory.
Yeah, so actually this is very good with cheese curry. Curry.
This is equivalent to what?
Not equivalent, but basically an alternative to thyme and rosemary.
I literally hear him say, that's how we roll. That's how we roll. We're gonna try this copperhead gin at 10 AM. No, actually 11. Okay, let's try it. Cheers. Wow, quite strong.
That's neat.
That's really nice.
Use just a little bit. I don't know how strong you guys like it.
Look at this. These are all like locally produced. Look at the jeans.
You can. Oh, you want to try this one? It's pretty good. This one has. Okay, so the difference. This one is citrus and tangerine.
Oh, more citrusy.
And then this one is got honey and a little bit of. They're all on the floral, fruity side. This is a.
Nice not? Super good. And buy the main leaf from Nosh. We drank a lot of gin and after that we are going to get brunch. So she is going to Orchard for Christmas shopping and then I'm gonna meet my friends for brunch and I am late. So yeah, just waiting for our Grab. I think he's making a U-turn. Hey no, there is a Nissan that's making a U-turn. What a biatch. Yeah. Then after that I'm going to my friend's house for drinks.
Welcome to VLOGMAS!
VLOGMAS!
I remember Big Round. This is the Thailand. Yeah. What did I do?
He said, I'm gonna whack you. We do the IG thing. The one where like you need to make a face and an expression.
Oh, that you did without me.
Yeah. Hi! Oh my god, you cut your hair! Audrey. Oh. Hi! Hello!
Just now, right? Like.
You win.
Tell her you want to sing. Can I have one mouth, please? Just ended the party and then right now I'm just gonna watch Startup. It's such a tiring day and I just had like mask on and right now my face is quite hydrated, but I'm just gonna like rest and it's only like what, 10, and I'm super duper tired. Oh my god, look at my whole face. Like I just have zero energy and I'm just gonna sleep right after this show. It's the finale! Team Hanjipyeon or Namdo-san, please comment down below.